Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Folio 2 for the iPad Pro, 12.9 inches. This is the Pita Flow cover, and as you can see, it's got some lines in it, and we'll show you what that is. It's like an origami. So here are the directions to do the folding and insertion of the iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. Okay, here's the case itself. Right there. This is where the cluster is for your cameras. And then going on the inside, they have this, which we'll remove. Okay, so this is where the iPad goes right here. And then when this is shut, it looks like this. So there's magnetics here. And then once you flip this around, this has a spot right up top for this to sit here. So you can attach it here, and then this folds just like this. So that's the origami part. And then you can have your iPad just like that. So you can watch your content, you can work on your content. This is a special spot right here for that. And then once you're done, you just unfold it, flip it back over, and then you can close it with that. And it's all magnetic. It has nice branding here at the top, but it's not obtuse or obtrusive on the case. But again, to easily attach it to the back and then turn it into the stand, fold it flat like that, and then just push down on this one part right here, and the magnetics do the rest on its own. And there you go. That is the MagEZ Folio 2 for the iPad Pro, 12.9 inch from Pitaka. You can get it now from their website and from Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.